Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nurture Health. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on important health tips. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone looking to improve their liver health. A healthy diet for fatty liver patients focuses on reducing liver fat, improving liver function, and preventing further liver damage. Fatty liver, also known as hepatic steatosis, is a condition where excess fat builds up in the liver. Yet, a healthy diet for liver patients, whether for conditions such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, or cirrhosis, is essential for reducing liver stress, preventing further damage, and promoting liver repair. The liver plays a key role in metabolism, detoxification, and nutrient processing, so a well-rounded, nutrient-dense diet is critical for supporting its functions. Below is a detailed guide for liver-friendly nutrition. 1. Emphasize plant-based foods. Plant-based foods are high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support liver function and reduce inflammation. Vegetables, cruciferous vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage. Brussels sprouts are particularly beneficial, as they enhance detoxification pathways. Leafy greens like spinach and kale can reduce liver fat. Fruits. Opt for fruits high in antioxidants, such as berries, blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, oranges, and apples. These help protect liver cells from oxidative damage. Whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, and barley help regulate blood sugar and reduce fat accumulation in the liver, which is essential for managing liver diseases like NAFLD. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in fiber and plant-based proteins, which promote liver health and help manage cholesterol levels. 2. Focus on healthy fats. The liver processes fats, so choosing the right type of fats is crucial. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds. Omega-3s are anti-inflammatory and can help reduce liver fat. Monounsaturated fats, avocados, olive oil, and nuts, almonds, walnuts, are rich in heart-healthy fats that support liver function and reduce bad cholesterol, LDL. Limit saturated fats, found in red meat, butter, cheese, and processed foods. Saturated fats can worsen liver inflammation and fat accumulation. Choose lean protein sources instead. Avoid trans fats, found in fried and processed foods. Trans fats increase the risk of liver disease and should be avoided entirely. 3. Opt for lean protein. Protein is necessary for liver repair and regeneration, but too much animal-based protein can be taxing on a compromised liver. Lean animal proteins, skinless chicken, turkey, and fish are good sources of high-quality protein without excess fat. Plant-based proteins, tofu, tempeh, beans, and lentils are excellent alternatives to animal protein, providing the necessary amino acids while being easier on the liver. 4. Limit sugar and refined carbohydrates. Excess sugar is converted to fat by the liver, contributing to conditions like fatty liver disease. Avoid sugary drinks. Soda, fruit juices with added sugar, and sweetened beverages overload the liver with sugar. Reduce sweets and desserts. Cakes, cookies, candy, and pastries contribute to fat buildup in the liver. Choose whole grains over refined carbs. Avoid white bread, white rice, and refined pasta, as they spike blood sugar levels. Instead, go for whole grains to provide sustained energy and prevent insulin resistance. 5. Stay hydrated and drink liver-supportive beverages. Proper hydration is crucial for liver detoxification. Water. Drinking plenty of water helps the liver flush out toxins and perform its detoxifying functions. Herbal teas, green tea, dandelion tea, and milk thistle tea are rich in antioxidants that support liver health and improve detoxification processes. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol is a major cause of liver damage. Even small amounts can worsen liver disease, especially in conditions like cirrhosis and fatty liver. 6. Increase fiber intake. Fiber helps regulate digestion, improves gut health, and reduces the burden on the liver. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, and whole wheat pasta are high in fiber, which helps in reducing cholesterol levels and stabilizing blood sugar. Fruits and vegetables. These are natural sources of fiber that support liver health by promoting regular bowel movements and reducing inflammation. Legumes, beans, lentils, and peas not only provide fiber but also plant-based protein, making them doubly beneficial for liver health. 7. Incorporate antioxidant-rich foods. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals that can cause liver inflammation and damage. Vitamin E, found in almonds, sunflower seeds, and spinach. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects liver cells from damage. Vitamin C, citrus fruits, strawberries, and bell peppers are rich in vitamin C, which aids in detoxification and protects against oxidative stress. Polyphenols, found in green tea, dark chocolate, and berries. Polyphenols reduce inflammation and promote liver cell repair. 8. Reduce sodium intake. A high sodium diet can cause water retention and increase the risk of liver-related complications, particularly in patients with cirrhosis. Limit salt. Cut back on adding table salt to meals and avoid high-sodium processed foods like canned soups, snacks, and deli meats. Herb-based seasoning. Use herbs and spices like garlic, turmeric, and ginger to flavor foods instead of salt. Turmeric, in particular, has been shown to have liver protective properties. 9. Balanced meal plan example. Here's a sample liver-friendly meal plan. Breakfast. Oatmeal with chia seeds, topped with blueberries and a drizzle of honey. Green tea. Lunch. Grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and olive oil lemon dressing. A side of quinoa. Snack. A handful of almonds or walnuts. An apple. Dinner. Baked salmon with steamed broccoli and brown rice. Herbal tea, milk thistle or green tea. Dessert. A small piece of dark chocolate, rich in polyphenols. Foods to avoid. Alcohol. It is toxic to the liver and can worsen liver damage in all liver conditions. Fried and processed foods. These are high in trans fats and contribute to liver fat and inflammation. Red meat and full-fat dairy. These foods are high in saturated fats, which can promote liver inflammation. High sugar foods. Candies, baked goods, and sugary beverages overload the liver and promote fat accumulation. Excessive salt. Processed foods high in sodium can cause water retention, particularly in patients with advanced liver disease. Key nutrients for liver health. Glutathione precursors, found in sulfur-rich foods like garlic, onions, and cruciferous vegetables. Glutathione is the body's most potent antioxidant, helping detoxify the liver. Vitamin D. Many liver patients have low vitamin D levels, so foods like fatty fish, salmon, tuna, fortified dairy, and eggs can help. B vitamins. Leafy greens, whole grains, and legumes are rich in B vitamins that support energy metabolism and liver function. By following a liver-friendly diet, patients can support liver regeneration, reduce inflammation, and improve overall health, ultimately slowing the progression of liver disease and boosting their quality of life.